how to turn on page new followers notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on page new followers notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just click pages and select your page, and now just click this settings icon in the top corner and click notifications, and then on Facebook, and this one here, new followers of page, you will find it like that. All you need to do is just click on it if you want to turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.